Sino-sino ba kasi kayong mga tangang tao ang bumoto dyan kay Robin? Imagine,
Philippine, you know you're most stupid. Yung mga senator sa government leader na hindi nag-aral, no read no write, Marifacia, Robin Padilla, Bong Revellino, your full celebrity is not considered a politics stream because politics is cultivated of leader. Okay? Iba ang mission ng isang actor, ng isang politician working to whatever individual for courses about before the graduated. Hindi for sikat ka lang for control to people or whatever because you're actor. Gagamitin mo so on way about dream pagiging senator ng Pilipinas whatever the international about Zelensky. Ukraine kaya bumagsak ang Ukraine dahil bubo ang leader. Hindi nag-aral. It's no right.